Pacific Laser Systems introduces the HVL100 multi-purpose laser line tool. The HVL100 is a tool of choice for demanding remodeling projects. Ideal for laying out kitchen cabinets, bath or shower tile, wallpaper, electrical, and HVAC jobs. The fully self-leveling HVL100 sets up easily and provides a 360-degree line of reference 3 times, horizontal and vertical with 90-degree layout. That means ceiling, walls, and floor are all aligned with one easy-to-use tool. And with the PLS SLD detector, its utility is enhanced for exterior layouts too. Accurate to within 1/8 of an inch at 60 feet and effective at up to 100 feet, the HVL100 is versatile and dependable for a variety of layout tasks. Mount the tool to the PLS elevator tripod or the PLS wall bracket. Included in the package along with the HVL100 are the heavy-duty wall bracket, optional SLD receiver, layout targets, rechargeable nickel-metal hydride batteries, and a tough, rigid carrying case. PLS lasers are designed by contractors for contractors. Pacific Laser Systems, the professional standard.